My name is Evgeny and I would like to offer you online lessons in mathematics. The content of the lessons can be fully determined by you, so whatever you wish or need to do, whether you are at school or you are at university and doing a mathematics course there, whether it is just periodical support which you need, maybe you have just some single questions, or maybe you have regular things which you can ask, maybe you need help with doing homework or you're preparing for the exam, whatever is needed. So if you are at school, obviously all the material works fine. If you go to college, whichever course, introductory course in mathematics you do is fine. So advanced courses are also fine depending on the topic. So analysis, linear algebra, probability theory, numerical analysis, mathematical logic, all can be done, and if it's something else, you can just ask. What is also possible is if you want to do something not necessarily guided by a certain program where you study, but just want to learn mathematics for yourself. So maybe you are a pupil at school and want to do something additionally to a school program. So in this case, we can also work together, and I will try to find interesting material. We will take literature and follow that, and I will try to find the things in mathematics which are interesting for you and for all of us. Okay, you already know something about me from the description which I have provided. So here at this point, I just say something about the teaching style. First of all, mathematics is not a subject where you need to learn anything by heart. When you just understand the things, they are clear. And understanding them is actually much easier than learning them by heart in any other way. They have just to be explained properly. And what I try to do for this is I try to understand how you are understanding mathematics and to work in this way, so that the material develops for you in the most intuitive and natural way. This is the main thing. What I also do and pay attention to is, unfortunately, mathematics is sometimes taught in a very mechanical way, and I try to do the opposite. So not just doing something, but trying to make clear what is it good for, what we are doing, what's the use of it, and what's the sense. Something about the teaching method online. So I have been doing offline teaching, so to say, for several years, one-to-one teaching as well as teaching in bigger groups, but it's just now that I start to do online teaching. But I think that online teaching should be actually equivalent to offline teaching without any particular loss, because the technical possibilities are such that we have all what we need. So whenever we need to see each other, we can see each other over Skype. Most of the time, probably I will be just writing something down, and when I will film, you will be able to see what I'm writing. I can scan the things later. We can talk to each other while I'm writing, and I can explain it at the same time. So actually, we have everything we need. And I've tried it already, and it should work quite well without particular losses. So much about that. So I will be very happy if you are interested. Then just contact me, and we will first talk about what you want to do in general, and how do we start, and when we can start. Working languages are English, German, Russian, and I'm looking forward.